heading for a short sprint here in Kelaguru tea estate. And today we will be exploring our tea factory and tea estate. And this is beautiful Kelaguru estate. Here we have coffee and tea. As you can see, this is coffee and that is tea. And here activities are like we can explore tea factory, we can see how they make tea, the process we can see. And this is a huge estate, guys. It is like around 1,000 acres, I guess. You will see tea and coffee, and they make one of the best coffee and tea powders. And this is our solo traveler Manish bro. He's all the way from Kerala exploring. Oh, beautiful tea estate. You don't have to go to Munnar or Undi or anywhere. You can actually enjoy here in Kelaguru. And let's see how they make tea powder. Let's go to the tea factory and I will show you guys how they will make tea powder. Let's go. This is how they pluck the leaves from tea plants, and they will check the weight and they will send it to the process. This is where these coffee leaves are going. I mean, sorry, tea leaves. And bravo. So they will keep these leaves for 14 hours here. So the moisture, you can see the moisture, it will get dried. Cutting blade. This is CTC. Cutting blade. And this is how this is like final procedure, and even now it looks like paste. So this is the reason they will put it through that roller, as you can see now. Yeah, this is the roller. It will make it like powder, and this will send it to this machine. You can see it is like very slow. It will take almost 1 hour to process. In that processing time, we can see the color is like changing into brown. In front you will be able to see it. Yeah, we can see that it's like the color has already changed.
the color has already changed.
Sorry guys, some of my footages are corrupted. I don't know what happened. So these are like few photos which I took from there, and this is the final look of tea powders. This is like 9 qualities of tea powders which are made in Kelaguru tea estate. So that's it. See you guys later with another video.